Have you ever had someone believe in you when you didn't believe in yourself? That little boost is called encouragement. Let's explore what it means. Today's word is encouragement. Can you say it with me? Encouragement. Let's spell it together. Ready? E-N-C-O-U-R-A-G-E-M-E-N-T. That spells encouragement. Encouragement means the act of giving support or confidence to someone. It's what helps people feel brave enough to try something new or keep going when things get tough. Here are some words that mean the same as encouragement. Say them with me. Support, like standing beside someone who's trying their best. Motivation, like cheering a friend on before a big test or game. Inspiration, like showing others that they can do it too. Reassurance, like reminding someone they're doing great even if they make mistakes. Praise, like saying, "Wow, you worked so hard on that." Each one helps build confidence and spreads positivity. Now let's look at the opposites of encouragement. Discouragement, like telling someone they can't do it. Criticism, like focusing only on what went wrong. Neglect, like forgetting to notice someone's effort. Disapproval, like making someone feel small for trying. Doubt, like not believing in someone's abilities. Those actions can make others feel unsure instead of confident. Here's a great example. Her teacher's encouragement gave Sofia courage to try out for the spelling bee. Let's review. Encouragement means the act of giving support or confidence to someone. Synonyms include support, motivation, inspiration, reassurance, and praise. Antonyms include discouragement, criticism, neglect, disapproval, and doubt. Encouragement lifts others up. Your kind words can change someone's whole day. Your challenge: encourage someone today with kind words. Tell them they're doing great. Keep spreading kindness, lifting others up, and believing in yourself too. See you tomorrow for another Word Up with Sophia.